Hello. So today we'll be learning how to do interview automation. So we have three criteria over here. Number one is you post a job, you found instant candidate matching your job description, and you want to send an interview invite to them. Then you have option number two. Option number two means that you were unable to find anyone from the job posting, and you are searching through our own talent directory. So that's the other angle, and you found someone and you want to send the interview out there. Then we have the third angle, which is you were unable to find anyone from our database. Now you want to send the interview flow to an external candidate. So here is what you would be doing. You would be coming to interview automation. You'll be clicking on external interview. Here you would be giving like three things you need: name, email ID, cell number. You can add up to 20 candidates at once. You can also upload a CSV file. So here we're gonna say, so here we have added some dummy data over here so that we can show you the process ahead, that how you can send an external interview invite. So we have the name, email ID, cell number. You can also add more cells over here, and you can also delete cells as well. So here we just have to send it to one candidate. The role is HR manager. You can also select the other roles you have, and so that it's easy for you. Now we will click on review. Now you have one candidate which is not in the database of JobsterX, and it's all good. Like, you can send the interview invite to them. So here, now this is where you are defining that how the interview invite works and how you can automate the whole process. You can also take a tour from the top, which is gonna tell you who you are interviewing. That's one thing. Then you have pick a interview style, you have add instruction, and then you have quick suggestion, preferring your own questions, and generate and continue. So here you can select any option you want to. I would go for pressure test. Here it's optional, like it's basically prompting. You can give a prompt anything you want, that this sort of questions you want, and you can also like select on quick suggestions as you want to make it more better. And then how long should the interview be? This is about the interview duration. So this interview duration, we want to keep it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes. It's recommended to keep it for 30 minutes, but again, it's your call how you want it. If you don't want any questions to be selected from JobsterX, you can also skip and write your own questions as well. Here I have given the prompt as well, and I have also selected the interview style as well. I'm gonna continue with generate question. It's gonna take a minute and give us the options. So here we are. It's saving the template for HR manager so that you can also use it again in the future. How long the interview should be? It's 30 minutes that we have selected earlier. Here you can also add some custom questions here as well if you don't like the questions from below. Then the first question is fixed by JobsterX. This is the questions that the system has gave us. You can go up and down, like you want this to be question number 4. You can just take it 2 levels down. It's now question number 4. You want to edit this question, you can simply just edit it. You want to just add anything, or you can do anything over here as well, so that your question is structured. So these are the questions that are selected. You don't want this question to be asked, you simply just untick it. You want this question to be asked, you tick it. So it's added in the questions list. There is an opening question and a closure question, which is locked by JobsterX, and you can see like what we are gonna ask. Like, it's the opening question is just tell us about yourself, and the closure question is, do you want to add in anything about yourself? So that is how we have how it works. If you want to add in anything, what would be? So this is a question I really want to ask, and it's gonna give me a culture fit. And I have just added this, and it's right over here. Here we are. It's right over here. It has already been added. And if I want to remove this one, it makes it question 5 as well. I want to take it forward, I want to bring it down, I can always do that. Then continue to review. This gives you a final review. Like, this is how you're asking. The last question over here on this page is, how much time do you want to give the candidate? Do you want to give the candidate 24 hours? Do you want to give the candidate 48 hours? Or do you want to give the candidate 72 hours? It's your call. This will be the deadline, and you click on send interview. It's as easy as this. The system will go to the job seeker, email the job seeker, tell the job seeker this is the opportunity that has been offered to you, and this is the link, please do the interview. So basically, once the interview is done, you will get a report just like this. This is the type of report you would get from JobsterX, which will help you decide whether the candidate, whether you find the candidate suited for the technical round, your second round of interview, or you find the candidate not suitable. You can simply reject the candidate from here. So in this report, if we walk through the report, you get what we observed. Again, it's just an observation from the product. Then what went well, what was missing. Observational flags. Here you have the observational flags. You can see the tab switches. You can see gaze away. You can see webcam off. You can see lens covered. Then you can see the whole video over here. Like this is the whole live video of the job seeker, like how the job seeker was speaking. Then you have question number 1. This was set. This was the answer. If you just wanna see this answer and you wanna click on this clip, it's gonna show you the answer. So like it's gonna start the recording from that particular minute. So these were all the questions that were answered by the candidate, and then this is where the tab switch happened. You can also see that what went well. Then you can see eye detection where the candidate was looking somewhere else. Again, the system has a question mark over here, like other screen question mark. It's just helping you to evaluate. Again, we're not claiming anything. If we are able to give you anything, we will give you in the tab switch where you can see the candidate was using any AI tool or anything to answer the questions. So this is how the product reporting is also designed. So thank you so much. If there's anything, you always have a support and feedback page where you can always pin us.